This is a journey about stone. Born of nature, absorb the beauty of the world. In more than 4 billion years of inspiration, explore every possibility. Engraved in the texture, create a unique aesthetic. WAYON settles a new technology factory in high-quality mining area to better develop product performance. On the way of pursuing better quality, we never stop. Condense with sweat. Grind with persistence. Check piece by piece with concentration. Every step is trying to present the concept of each design. To stand the test of time. To endure every ordeal. To be a reliable product. Since 1982, WAYON Stone continues to make progress in R&D. Adhering to the business philosophy of integrity and quality, businesses continuous developing. With excellent products quality, obtained many authoritative certifications. So we set sail, WAYON step forward to the world, leaving our steps in many countries. Leave an imprint on civilization and bring a better life to mankind. WAYON Stone quality all the way.